Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. In this video I am going to show you how you can solve when you have problem with your LCD or monitor input not spotted. But if you see the light is green, so it means that your PC is working properly. But problem is that when we set the resolution upper more higher than recommended, then we get this error. Normally this error can go also when you press escape key. If no go, then you have to follow my steps. Just within 2-3 minutes I will show you how you can kick out this problem. And I hope you will like this video. If you like, please subscribe our channel. It's your support for us. And share more and more with your friends, and then everyone who's faced this kind of problem, then they can have solution also. Okay, let's start how we can solve this problem. Please follow step by step. Alright guys, this is my computer screen, and here you can see the display resolution. When you set from here higher than spotted of this LCD, then you will get that problem. Actually I uninstalled the driver from this computer, so that's why it's not showing that error, but is showing is similar, out of range or input not spotted, that is same. And I know you feel much disturbance when you get this error. Okay, just you have to follow these steps. Very easy. You just have to keep in mind what I do, and you have to do same. First of all, what you have to do, you have to right click on your mouse. Right click, you have to do first step, right click, and in screen you can see is open this. Then you what you have to do, two times upper arrow, 1 and 2. Okay, then you have to hit enter button. Okay, for your information I am showing you also what is it will be do. If you have slower computer, then you have to wait a little bit, not click quickly, because like my computer is slower, so it will show you after a bit of time. And you can see also here in your computer light, this means that is working, something doing. If it look like this, after a while is blink more, then you can think that is already done. Okay, first step was right click, second step two arrows upper enter. Okay, third step you have to do 5 times tab, 5 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and then you have to press enter again. Okay, you have to wait a little bit. Okay, then fourth, first step, second step, third step, and fourth step again tab. Okay, but this time 4 times. Before you did 5 times, now you have to do 4 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Then no enter first you have to space once, and then arrow key, this one you have to do down until you want. Suppose 10 time minimum you can do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, then you have to click enter. Okay, then last step, again tab, and then enter. Your problem will solve 100%. If no solve, then you can ask me through comments. I will give you reply properly, and I will tell you how you can do that. But this method 100% proof I did already. I hope you will like this video. Please share this with others, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.